Shaky banks are still on the minds of people in the stock market. Dan Deming is watching the action for us. Dan, what can you tell us?
Well, Angie, it's hard to say right now because of the uncertainties. And that's really the driver of the markets because of the reminiscent or the memory of 2008. And, it's hard to say if it's going to be something bigger than what it has been already. But the way the market's acting, I get the sense that there's still going to be a little bit more fallout. And that's why the nervousness continues to persist. But overall, I would hope that things are somewhat in order, and the bigger banks, I think, are in much better position than they were in '08. So overall, I'd still think that we're going to get through this and the markets will find some stability. But I think we're still in for some bumpy activity here in the next couple of weeks.
What do you think will be critical to watch in the market this week, Dan?
Yeah, this week, Angie, there's several things as we're continuing to realize, the lower end of the recent range. We just can't seem to get off the mat. So 3,900 in the S&P is one thing I'm watching. Also, when you look at the data points this week, the PCE data coming out later this week, I think is going to be a driver, as well as Fed speak now. What's the Fed going to do with some of these volatile types of moves and various, particularly in the interest rate market? Are they going to hold in May? And the market's going to be trying to figure that out over the next couple of weeks.
And we will keep watching 3,900 in the S&P. Have a great week, Dan.
All right. Thanks, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.